Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Veto DR-XL tool bag. The DR stands for drill, the XL stands for extra large. So this bag is especially set up to carry your drills, as well as having 30 individual pockets scattered around the front and also on the inside of the bag. Let me show you the zipper. Okay, we got a nice big D-ring right here. You grab this D-ring and you grab this big zipper handle, and it just opens right up like that. And the bag has a spring. It's spring loaded. It opens by itself, and you see inside here you have a Velcro panel, and this is for your drills and your charger and your batteries. And see, these come right out. These pieces right here come right out, and you can set this up any way you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a drill and put it right here. Okay, then I will grab another drill and put it right here. Okay, so you see I got two drills stored in there very nicely, and then I have a charger. Now I'm going to custom set this Velcro unit here. So I'll put the charger right there, and then I'll put the Velcro back in right there to hold in place so it doesn't bang around. And then I have a small battery, a 2 amp hour battery, and I have a 5 amp hour battery. And put that right there. So that's why it's called the drill bag, is you can set it up for drills, or you can set it up for saws. You can customize the Velcro area so that your tools don't bang around when you're transporting them. And then there's plenty of room. This is a nice auger bit set. It goes with the bigger drill. And look at this. This is the longer auger bit set. Put that right in. That fits too. So you got a couple nice bit sets to go along with the drills. And see, you got some nice pockets right here. You can take your panels that you're not using and just put them right in there. If you turn this around, see, you got a real nice pocket right here, a nice big one. We'll just close it back up. There we go. This bag is 16 inches long, it's 9 inches wide, and it's 11.5 inches to the top with the handles closed. And look at these handles. They're made out of leather. In the front here, you got a pouch here for various tools. You put your cell phone in there, and then you have a series of pockets in the front here, and you got even more pockets on the other side. Then you have 2 D-rings right here, and these are powder coated D-rings. These are very, very nice. The bag comes with a very nice padded shoulder strap. So we have swiveling hooks right here. You just take it, put it right on there, and put it right on there, and you can it will help you carry the bag because it can get pretty heavy with lots of drills and so forth. And this is a really nice feature. It's got a built-in hook onto the shoulder strap so that you can like hang it on a wall or something like that if you want to just work out of it. If you would like to store larger items in this bag, like circular saws, you will want to take out the Velcro bottom and then just grab your circular saw, put it right in there, and here's a spare battery, and here's a charger and a rafter square, some finished saw blades. Just put it all right in there and close it up, and you're ready to go to work. So here's the Veto DR-XL in relation to the Veto TECH-MCT. You can see that the DR-XL has much more carrying capacity. It's, like it says, it's for drills, or in this case, right now there's a circular saw in it, and so forth. And so it's which one is the right bag for your job is the question. If you know, right at the point of work where you're doing electrical work, it'd be this one. For transporting drills, and in this case circular saw and larger items, this is the right one for the job. So this is how they compare size-wise and usage-wise. Both bags come with a unique 5-year, zero downtime warranty. This means that if your bag fails within 5 years, Veto will actually send you another bag to use while your defective tool bag is being repaired or replaced. I feel that both bags are excellent quality and can increase productivity for workers of many trades. I'll put links in my video description for the Veto DR-XL tool bag and for the Veto TECH-MCT open top tool bag. I'll also put links for the Veto Pro Pack TECH-MC, which is 10 by 8 by 12 inches, and for the Veto Pro Pack TECH-MCT, which is 13 by 13 by 16 inches. I'll put links for the Veto Pro Pack TP3 and TP4 Technician tool pouches, and I'll put a link for the Veto Pro Pack TECH-LC tool bag. Also, I'll put links for all the various tools seen in the video. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.